Assalamu alaikum, I'm Pavel and I welcome you all to a new tutorial where we will learn a new trick of multiplication. In this video, we will learn how to multiply very easily by just drawing lines. Doesn't it sound amazing? No? Okay, let's see. Suppose we want to multiply these two numbers, 12 times 13. So we all know how to multiply these numbers using traditional method. But today we will learn how to multiply these numbers using just lines. Okay, so at first start with 12. For 12 we have two digits, 1 and 2. So at first we will draw one line. So this one line stands for 1, and for 2 we will draw two more lines, but we will give some gap here. So this is 1 and this is 2. So we are done with 12. Now coming to 13. At first for 1, we will draw one line here, and for 3, we will draw 3 lines here, okay? You can start either way. You can start in this way and then in that way, I mean diagonally, from any way you can start. Now, for the second part, we will group these straight lines. As you can see, there are some intersecting points here. So we will now group the intersecting points. How? This will be our first group, and these two pairs will be our second group, and this will be our third group. And we will start from the rightmost side. How many intersecting points are there? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we will write 6 here. And how many intersecting points do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 5 here, and here is only one intersecting point. So we will write 1 here. So we can write 12 times 13. This is equal to 156. Isn't it amazing? Okay, let's see a few more examples. So let us multiply two-digit number which is a bit bigger than 12. Say we want to multiply 23 with 14. Okay, so let's start with 23. So we can either draw diagonally starting from this one. So we have two straight lines here for 2, and we need to draw 3 more straight lines for 3, though this doesn't seem like a straight line. Let me redraw it. Okay, I hope this is way better. Okay, so we are done with 23. Now coming to 14. For 1, we give one straight line here, and for 4, we will draw 4 straight lines here. So you see, we are done with the first part. Now here comes the part of carry. Okay, so I will explain what does it mean. So at first count the number of intersecting points here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, in this way 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12, but we will write only 2 here, and this one will carry out to this place. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 plus 8, 11, and 1 carry. So we have another 12. So we will write 2 here. Okay, and this 1 will carry to this particular place. Okay, so we have 2 intersecting points plus 1, so we have 3. Now we can write the result as 322. You see? So I hope the concept is pretty clear to all of you. Now you might think that what would happen if the number is way bigger? Say if we take a 3-digit number, what would happen? So let's try with a 3-digit number. Suppose we want to multiply 154 times, say, 12. Okay, so we have a 3-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. So at first starting with 154. So we can either draw in this way or in that way, whichever you feel comfortable with. Okay, so we can draw one line and then 5 straight lines for this part, and For 4, we need to draw 4 more straight lines. Okay. Now coming with 12. We have one straight line here, and then for 2 we need to draw 2 straight lines here. Okay. Now the grouping part is pretty important here. So at first, this is our first group, and this 2 part is our second group. So we can regroup it here, and this is our third group, and this is our fourth group. Okay. So let us count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 4. So 14. So out of 14, we will write 4 here, and this 1 will carry out to the next place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. That is 8 here. And we have 1. So the answer would be 1848. So I hope this concept is pretty clear to all of you. Now, another amazing thing about this technique is that we can very easily multiply variables, and also we can calculate something like this, x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, so we can also calculate these polynomials, I mean the multiplication of polynomials as well, using this concept. Okay, so I will discuss this particular trick in the next video. I hope you have understood this part. Now you might have some confusions that how do we regroup these parts. I mean, this is group 1, this is group 2, this is group 3, and this is group 4. So one thing is that you have to draw the lines in such a way that the lines are perpendicular to each other, right? You see, this is almost 90 degree. The lines are perpendicular to each other, and you will see the lines, the groups which are intersecting points which are being horizontal, or sorry, vertical, and in a same straight line. So this will be in the same group. Another technique to making to count the grouping is that you see here, this is the first straight line of this part, and this is the first straight line of this group. So this is 1 with 1, that is, we can say 1 plus 1. Now here, this is the first straight line of 1, this is 1 plus, and this is 5 is the second group. So this is 1 plus 2. Okay, and if you look at this part, this is 2, this is the second digit, and this 1 is the first digit, that is 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this 2 remains in the same group. Now coming to this part, this is 1, that is the 1 of 2, this is the first number, so we count 1 for this group, and this 4 is the third digit, so we can say 1 plus 3. So this group number is 1 plus 2, which is 4. Now coming to this part, here these 2 straight lines, that is the second digit. Okay, and this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the second digit, that is 2 plus 2. So we also have 4 here. So 4, this remains in the same group. Now, will it go to this group? Let's see. This is 4. This 4 straight lines is the third digit. So we give 3, and this 2 is the second digit. So we give 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So no, this is not in the same group. That's why we have grouped like this. So I hope this concept is also clear to you. If you have any confusions, you can comment in the comment section and let me know how did you feel about this new trick. If you like this video, then please let me know your comments, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and let me know what sort of more videos you want from me in future. So until next video, stay fine. Allah Hafiz.